Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. Today we are going to be working with the short E sound, and the long E sound, E, that is spelled with an EE and an EA. So let's take a look at our words first. We'll go down the line. We have the word next, green, sleep, clean, teeth, week, leaf. Then we have seam, team, web, keep, heat, less, teach. Then we have eat, bend, speak, sweep, week, set, and feet. So let's look at our headers for this week. We have the short E sound, the S sound in some of our words where we have a consonant, vowel, consonant, like in the word next. You have a consonant, vowel, consonant. That's making the E say eh. Then we have the consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, making the E say E. Like in the word seam, you have a consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. So that's making the long E sound. Then we also have the long E sound spelled with EA, like in the word eat. We have vowel, vowel, consonant. Yeah, there is no consonant in front of the E in this particular word, but it still makes the E sound. So you have the long E sound in the word eat. We will have an oddball this week because we have the word ben. Ben is spelled with an EE, so according to our word pattern, it should say E, but it doesn't. It says the short vowel sound Just one of those words that does not follow the word pattern. And that's it, kiddos. If there's a word in here that you're not sure of the meaning, please raise your hand and we can help you. Other than that, go ahead and happy sorting.